Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu salwa sendoda lesugogo Bathini Mbatha. Ngane zakwethu, I think many people don't understand, or some of the people don't understand this channel Gogo Bathini Mbatha. Ngane zakwethu, uLocksmith is about simplifying things that people do not understand. But I will never reveal the secret in terms of into ethize enziwa kanjani, into ethize enziwa kanjani. I'll just tell you straight ukuthi kunokuthwala kunjena, kunento enjena, kunento enjena, into enjena, not beyond that, because I also have to respect indlela zabantu zokusebenza and their secret, so that nami nginezinto zami engizenza in a private space. I wouldn't like somebody to reveal what I'm doing in my private space. Ngane zakuthi namhlanje sikhuluma ngokuthwala ngamaGundane. We have this video. We've done a video like this before, ngane zakwethu. It's somewhere in our archive on YouTube. Ngane zakwethu, let's start ngokuthi gogo anjani lamaGundane akuthwala ngawo. Atholakalapi, adla ini. We have spoken about this, but for the benefit of the series that we just started ukuthi Ukuthwala ngani, which I started when I was in India, I'll just give you a bonus, or maybe just a reminder. Ngane zakwethu, amaGundane akuwona lamaGundane lawa ajwayelekile lawa esiwaziyo. They are a bit strange. AmaGundane athi awe nenswempu yomuntu in terms of the round part of the face yawo. Lento lena ungayibeka ngokuthi inje ikhanda lakho liphume lathi, aliphumanga njengekhanda lamaGundane elithe, liphume lathi ikhanda lakhona lamaGundane, bese kuba intamo la, bese kuba umzimba futhi ongemkhulu kangako. Ikhanda mawulibheka sukela ngemuva, ikhanda lakhona is more or less the same level as isinqa sayo, ngoba malifika la emuva linesinqa esithi asiphakame igundane lakhona. I'll talk about amaGundane engwaziyo engengawabona. I won't talk about amaGundane amanye engawazi. LamaGundane ngane zakwethu adla amasi kuphela. You just change the flavor of amasi. Namhlanje wapha amasi anjena, kusazi wapha amasi anjena, kusazi wapha, not namhlanje. This week wapha amasi anjena, the following week amasi anjena, but adla every day, at least twice a day. AmaGundane ngane zakwethu, disadvantages zakho, ngiqala ama-disadvantages in terms of amaGundane anomona ngane zakwethu. Afuna bawodwa, afuna indawo equiet, ayibafuna abantu abaningi, kodwa ayasebenza amaGundane ngane zakwethu. AmaGundane, they are found Ghana, they are found eMozambique. eMozambique la atholakala khona, I think they knew ukuthi they are one of the few people, not the only ones la ngazi khona. So i-demand yakhona igcina ibankulu ukudlula ukuthi bona bakwazi ukuproducer up to how many. So that's why i-production yakhona isuke ibe slow, because of sekunabantu abalindile abaningi. So abantu abaningi bagcina bangawatholanga isimo sani samaGundane. But amaGundane ngane zakwethu mawangafuni ukuthi endaweni ethize angeke idume lo moto ngisho usuthanda. Mawangafuni nje ukuthi Shandu ukuthi siya endaweni ethize angeke idume lo moto ngisho usuthanda. I don't care ukuthi imoto yakho yintsha kangakanani or ithembe kangakanani, angeke. So amaGundane, what you find ukuthi most of the time abantu abanamaGundane, umuntu uhleze eyi-1 emotweni, umuntu unomkhuba nje ukuthi endaweni ephithizelayo uthola kunesicapha esisodwa esivuliwe. Guys, kuyashisa kulezi insuku, nani yabona ukuthi la ngikhona kuyashisa. Angisho ukuthi umuntu mehlele mall or endaweni ephithizelayo bese kuvuleka isicapha, asivula icapha nje mhlambe sengemuva bese nje sekakhipha amaGundane, no. But amaGundane afuna indawo esheshayo. Akekho okewa experience ukuthi imali kuze uzoyithola isingenile. Singathi akekho, mina ngaze ngiyibona ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi awabona amaGundane aphethe imali physically, but uyayithola imali usunayo emotweni ngokuba sendaweni ephithizelayo. How, I don't know, ngani zawethu. It's a mystery eza namaGundane. It's not something that you can know easily ukuthi mhlambe abonakela amaGundane endaweni ethize, umuntu afika wavula imoto aphuma amaGundane abuya. AmaGundane mawangafuna ukuthi uwabone ngeke uwabone ngisho usuthanda. Ungafika ngihleli namaGundane kodwa umnikazi wami angafuna ukuthi uwabone amaGundane angeke uwabone. Anesithunzi esingasuka phansi, angeke ubheke ohlangothini lalana kukhona khona amaGundane. But amaGundane ngani zakwethu ahambelana nesimo sesilwane sama-boys, in a sense yokuthi uma unomuntu othandana naye useduzane uye ayithole evuka ekuseni emanzi esithweni sangasese ngendlela engaqondakali noma ayiphuphalele nomuntu abanalo mkhuba loyo. But it's not ukuthi physically amaGundane ayahamba ayolala nomuntu wesifazane. Awakwenzi lutho wena mnikazi wawo, awamenzi lutho umuntu oyingane esimweni sasekhaya, aqondana ngqo nesimo somuntu wesifazane meke khona ekhaya. Ngaphandle kamaGundane i-advantage yakhona ukuthi mawuthwele ayiphe ayakwazi ukuthi ejabulisane wodwa without ukuthi ephazamise umuntu osuke uthandana naye. Another thing ngamaGundane mawashintshela iflavor, ngathi abantu ayadansa amaGundane, ayakujabulela uwabone physically ejabula ama ngenyawo zangaphambili, aphamise inyawo zangemuva, aphamise inyawo zangaphambili, azashaya ihlombe phezulu athi etshengisa ukuthi ayakujabulela ukuthi uwashintshele iflavor. Ayakwazi ukuzwa instantly ukuthi uwashintshele iflavor. That is ukuthwala kwamaGundane. Ayasebenza ngani zakwethu, but anama-disadvantages because ugcina uba umuntu uzogcina uba inkomo edla yodwa, you know, awuthandi kuhamba nabantu. You used to have good friends that you hang around with. When usuyihambela wedwa awabuthandisisi kakhulu utshwala, uyaphuza kodwa awubuthandisisi utshwala. Ingakho isikhathi esiningi afuna ukuthi uma endaweni ophuzwa kuyona, if kunemali oyifunayo lapho awufuneki ufike uphuze, ufike njena ufike uwadedele angene ayenze lento ayenzayo wena uyithola usunemali. Awezi nemali in terms of big volumes like ama-boys, kodwa ayifaka imali. You'll never go broke. You'll always have means of doing something izinto efana lezo. So that is ukuthwala kwamaGundane. Are they safe? I don't know. Would you advise ukuthatha amaGundane? I don't know. It's up to you. You're gonna have to deal with all the consequences zamaGundane. You must remember ukuthi we always tell people ukuthi sinaso isimo sezinto ezi-safe, isimo seyigubhu and everything, not in a sense of information yesilwane ezinto efana lezo. AmaGundane ayafana nenyoka, ayafana nama-boys, they have a high maintenance. Normally, usually it's guaranteed ukuthi amaGundane indawo la azohlala khona is gonna be filthy. So kufanele ube umuntu onezandla, meaning kufanele ube umuntu oyithandayo, umuntu ohlezi eklina la ahlala khona, ayachama, umchamo khona ngathi womuntu uyanuka, fanele ukline at least twice a day. So amaGundane afuna igcokama, afuna umuntu oclean, afuna umuntu okwaziyo ukuthi ewanakekele. Gogo, amaGundane are good for what? AmaGundane are good for abantu abadayisayo, are good for abantu abasenza kakhulu ama-meter taxi, abantu abasebenza kakhulu ngezinto edinga ukuthi kuze umuntu kuwena azocela ilokhuzana. For tenders into efana lezo, no. And amaGundane futhi they are ideal for umuntu oyifunela nje imali ehleli phansi. As long as uzokhuthala wayisela khona imali azohamba olanda imali ebuye, you are good to go. ngamaGundane awana stress, azokwenzela imali and you will be happy. That is isimo samaGundane ngane zakwethu. Isala kwasendoda lesugogo Bathini Mbatha. By the way, we have a new number for bookings ngane zakwethu, 082 833 4063, 082 833 4063, 082 833 4062. That is our new number. Izobamba umfowethu uNkonzo, umshana ongisizayo, uyena ozokwazi ukuthi enqake ifoni yakho. 082 for bookings, 082 0833-4063. Thokozani bokhokho nomkhulu. Salukasendoda umavula kuvala emzini amamandoda uLocksmith. Ishingishani somoya. Siyathokoza.